Here's some old postcards. This is, of course, Niagara Falls. This one is St. Joseph Basilica and School from Milwaukee in Niagara Falls around 1950-52. And this is Hotel Fetzer, Milwaukee. And this giant cruise liner is the SS Milwaukee Clipper. Got a nice security badge here. I don't know what the heck this is. Presidential inaugural. Oh, this is Agent 007 or 0007. Got that in a hauling job years ago. And here's another book. And this one is Landing Force Manual, U.S. Navy, 1938. It says Forrest A. Sheldon, U.S. Naval Training Station, Newport, Rhode Island, Company number 37. Here we are, men of the Navy, specialists. The Navy offers opportunity. Trades you can learn in the Navy. You can become a painter. Oh, and here. Second anniversary of USS Massachusetts, May 12, 1944, and have a whole brochure about that. Oh, and here you can enlist in the Navy. How about this? Yep. There are quite a few things here for you to come take a look at and bid on. Give us a call at 215-651-83. I have a lot of antiques here that I've collected in hauling jobs that I have for sale. It's make offers here. And you make the offer at 215-651-8329. This is a German Nazi flag. Around 1938, 1939, gauche, 80 by 135 centimeters. And it's actually from the Sudetenland. Okay. This is Big Don. He's a trash picture dumpster diver. He's down here at the dumpster. All the morning. Now look, I had to take my father around. Now he got me a lot of stuff today. Look at all the stuff he found out in the trash. All this stuff, and he's got more to go. Come on, get it all in here. Get it down. And we're gonna head to Burger King next, because at Burger King we get our free money on the ground. We'll see how much money we find at Burger King. Okay, he's getting this truck all packed up here today to work with. This is our normal pickings for the day, as you can see. We've got this here movie projector. It needs a bulb that somebody put out in the trash, and got these rails, and got 2 sets of golf clubs and a bed. So we're gonna head on to Burger King next and get our Whopper or whatever it is we're gonna get, or 2 for 1 or something like that. But we always pick up coins on the ground, so we'll be over there next.
We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. This is one of many of our fields that we have filled with Norway spruces. We have thousands of trees, plants, and shrubs. And this farm is located on Route 313 in Bucks County. We deliver and plant our Norway spruces and white pine trees and other trees up and down the East Coast. And we are able to deliver and plant to you from North Carolina to Boston, and as far west we go as Pittsburgh. We're a family-run business. We have quite a few locations, and we also have hunting opportunities for the people that like to hunt, fish, camp, look for arrowheads, hunt for fossils or meteorites. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for your tree and shrub needs.